Hello mga gapa! Welcome back to Princess in the UK. For today's mini video, a day in my life na to. But since it's evening naman, it's 8 o'clock. So, it's a night in my life on a Saturday evening. So, let's go to Dublin. I'm excited. Hi guys! So, we have to stop over to get some food and rest at the same time because I'm gonna be... What?
Do you want a muffin?
No, I don't want.
Or
No, I'm fine with this.
which one?
Hello mga papa! Kamusta mong tanan? Welcome back to Princess in the UK, Filipina living here in Northern Ireland. See, this is our part 2 and at ito na nga yung part 2 ng ating video ng Night in My Life going to Dublin. So after kanina mo deliver itong item mga papa, kaya amuan na dayong gibalikan amo ang agi going back home. Pero before me, ni pauli kay we had a stopover para mag-rest and break time at the same time. Kailangan naman mag-toilet, mag-snacks, matulog, and all. So anyway, come join with us! Hi guys! So we have to stop over to get some food and rest at the same time because I'm gonna I need toilet. And we are here. Oh my gosh, it's cool. Say hi, honey. Hi. Ouch. Look at my hair, guys. Nice, right? What? Yeah, it's cold, right? And we're gonna get some milk because we're running out of milk as well in the house and cheese. So see ya guys. But first, toilet. Woo! That's cute. We're inside now, so it's a bit cooler. But see ya. Oh my gosh. So we are still part of Dublin mga gwapa, and this is how their toilet looks like. Limpyo kaayo sa, and ako pa nang gilili din ha kung diin nila ng butang ang sabon and then ilahang dryer. Unlike sa tuwa sa Pinas, kay dryer available. Oh, joke lang. Naman sa tay available nga sir. Pero mo na makita rin mo asa siya nakabutang, pero ilahang kay hidden kaayo, which is very nice and very clean. Pero na adjud time na it's a bit dirty, especially ang ilahang bowl. Dili man ingon nga dirty jud, panimahuan lang nimo ba? Nga ako ng video na to mga papa, kay sa labas ang lakas ng hangin. Mambot lang kung may storm, pero normal naman siguro na din niya. Anyway, ako na then dirang dry ako ang hands kay para magdalita. Kay marag mo ang allowed na break time ani mga gwapa kay 45 minutes. And then syempre include ng walking, tambay-tambay, ang pagpili sa imong paliton og food, and then pag walking back to the truck. So, gumay na lang kayo ang time. Dili na ko ani maka-sleep. Char. And now it's time to go back to my hubby mga gapa. So, let's go. And we're done. So, let's go. Whoop. Outfit check. In the toilet. Let's go. Oopsie, hubby is waiting, so we'll check out if there is available milk or something that we can get. He is eating. What did he have? What are you eating? What are you having? Nothing yet, but you're eating already. So that's fucking nice.
Oh, you know, don't you?
Did you not find your name? There's a Krispy Kreme by the milk. But donut here. And find the milk now. Water? Water? Let's grab this one, guys. And then my milk. What? Low fat milk. But I don't have any milk. There's a milk, guys, but I'm trying to find lactose-free milk. First, I'm not sure this one. Grab the milk. I don't have the milk that I need.
Have you got milk I need?
Yeah, get it then. Which? Oh, don't forget it. And then we'll find some cheese. We have some cheese in here. That doesn't look like they have. There's a cutie stuff toy in here, guys. Look. I think I'm gonna get one. So cool. But which one should I pick? There is Sandy and Becky. Easter egg. Maybe we can get one for the kids. For the kids or for me? What?
Do you want a muffin?
No, I don't want.
Or anything like that?
No, I'm fine with this.
Yeah, which one?
Salted chicken. No, we're good. Come on. So hi.
All together?
Yeah. Let's.
Yeah, paper bag, yeah.
And the coffee as well.
What's in the bag? We have a bag in the car.
We're not in the car, are we?
Oh.
That coffee, is it?
Is that okay? Yes, okay. We're good. We're going home now. La boo boo.
Well,
La boo boo. Or la doo doo. And we need to go back to the car. I mean, not to the car, but to the truck. Ta-da! There's a music, so you have to dance. And that's it for tonight. That's it for our night in our life on a Saturday night. Dili na siya day in my life, kay night man siya. And we're going back home. So, thank you guys for watching. That's it for now. And see you in our next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as well, and share if you like it. And see you in our next one. Bye! Mwah.
think we just come back.
We passed it already.
No, we haven't passed this already, honey.
No, we went on that side.
Get in fucking gear, bitch.
It's not just